Do you have an old car seat hanging around in the garage? Maybe your child's not using it anymore, one that expired without you realizing it. There is an easy way to turn them in, recycle them, knowing almost every component can be repurposed and reused. 3 on your side, Susan Campbell explains.
Thousands of car seats piled up across the valley and ready to be recycled.
This will be made into building material. This will be recycled as plastic.
It's not just the foam, plastic, and metal that will be reused. The pads will become dog bedding and chew toys at shelters. The straps can be turned into leashes. The pets will love it. But here's why it's really important to recycle old car seats rather than putting them out on the curb with the trash.
Child seats generally shouldn't be thrown away anyway because somebody might want to try and reuse it.
Jim Garnand is a child seat technician and owns High Tech Car Care in Phoenix. He says without knowing the history of a car seat, the kids riding in them could be at risk. So it's time to recycle a car seat if it's been involved in a crash, if a kiddo has outgrown it, or if it has expired. You should be able to find an expiration date right on the seat on the label like this or on the plastic shell.
They're mostly made out of plastic, and they're sitting in a car in Phoenix, Arizona. What happens to plastic? It starts to degrade. Now, usually the seat at about 7 years is going to expire.
And when it does, it can have new life.
Yeah, Susan Campbell reporting. You can drop off any used child car seats to be recycled through April 16th at any participating neighborhood auto repair professional shop. We put together a list of all those Gnar Pro locations to make it easy for you. It's all on our website right now, azfamily.com.